Okay, you guys, so it's still early in the morning. It's 11:23 a.m. Yes, I wake up early. A little bit, it was very natural. Like I literally wake up 7:42, and I was like, what? Yeah, I didn't put my time alarm. You're a good wake up. Anyway, but yeah, I kind of almost done finished all my list, but I need to check some off to feel productive. I feel productive and I'm feeling so good right now. I don't know what it is, but I'm feeling good right now. But for me, I'm about to go eat breakfast. I'm about to go make me some breakfast and some coffee. Watch some YouTube videos, you know how I do. And then next, I'll be cleaning up my room. Y'all, my room is a mess. Like, let me show y'all. This is my area, okay? My bed had not made because I'm gonna wash my covers. Oh no. Yeah, this is all my clothes right here, which need to be organized. All of them is not dirty. Some of them are. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. So yeah, I'm about to go and eat first because I need some energy in me. Okay, I need some energy. And then I need some coffee. I hadn't drank coffee in the past 2 days. I need to start drinking coffee. Like for real. Breakfast of the day. I just made me some toast and some eggs with cheese on them, and maybe some coffee. Oh, I mashed on the coffee. Anyway, but yes, I got me some coffee over here. And what I'm drinking is a cappuccino mixed caramel. Y'all can find this in your local area store. Got it from Kroger's, but yeah, but I think it's pretty good. I like it. Okay, so I just finished eating right now, and I check some stuff off on my list, as you can see. So I just finished eating. I still have my coffee right here, and it is 12:37. And I'm about to go clean up my room. I'm gonna go wash my covers. I'm about to clean up my room. It could be smelling good. I was showing that I was cleaning up, so I'm going to opposite. Yeah, and I'm gonna add an update.
Why my skin like that?
This is recording right.
So this is my wall, my
Nice.
room. I
Nice.
did this collage myself. I watched like 2 episodes of Vampire Diaries while I was doing this, you know, Team Damien. And so it's cricket. That's all I came up.
But we want to do episodes of Vampire Diaries. When?
Dude.
Last time y'all saw me, I was cleaning up in my room, and it's too beefy. It's too beefy right now. And I'm gonna show y'all how to do it right. Clean. Yep. See, last time it was all closed right here. Now it's clean. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me? I shook things up. As you can see, my covers still in the wash. I need to put in the dryer. Trash can to take out. Come here. You don't want me?
No.
She need to take out.
Oh! You better. I thought you would say something else. I know.
Anyway, but I need to go outside. I need to get some fish. Yeah, I was telling her she play soccer, but she's telling me no. She don't even put an S I in.
I'm working out every day.
Anyways, I clean my room, wash my clothes. I need to do some homework, but we do want to step outside first. And then we do some homework. Make sure y'all go outside, get some fresh air.
I thought it was picture. I didn't know you were recording.